Welcome to Vridhivesh Finance. We are presenting Tharsan Product Limited. Tharsan Product Limited, this company has majorly into, not majorly, the actual product is into related to plastic only. Okay, so like bottles and cardboard, centrifuge, where cell culture products, cryoware, electrophoresis instruments, generic labware, liquid handling, microscope and microbiology, PCR products, box and racks and utilities. Dear investors and viewers, if you see, the Tharsan products basically has large customer base in case of into pharma and all. If you see, frankly speaking, there are a number of hospitals, okay, or anybody, what they do, they are basically use plastic in large amount. Okay, so we are right now going to talk about their customer base. They are Anchor, Anchor Company, CPF, Imami Limited, then this Fudan University 1905, Godrej, Himalaya, Hindustan Unilever, ICAR, Lupin Pharma, Citical Incorporation, Mankind Pharma, Mid Johnson Nutrition, Nestle, University of Oxford, Patanjali, Sun Pharma, Rambaxi, and yes, Imami Limited, CPF, Anchor. These are their what actual customers. So why these are customers? Because they use plastic bottles, they use plastic packaging. If you see their plastic if any pharmaceutical company wanted to save their medicines, with, see, suppose they use glass bottles and all, it can be breakable also. That's the reason probably even they are using, even in injection syringe, etc. If you see, literally they use a plastic daily basis in large amount. So most of the pharma products are using plastic as a packaging purpose. And yes, this company is more than 3 decades experience in science, labware and plastic labware industry. Tharsan leader in India production supply laboratory plastic wares, use molecular biology, cell structure, genomic, protein makes immunology. Tharsan applies unparalleled innovation and expertise in research and development and combines with the engineering dexterity to create a state-of-art plastic labware and a life science product. Their product range is basically whatever we have said recently. Yes, in they are diversifying life-changing solutions in case of healthcare, pharmaceutical, biotech, food and environment sectors globally. Um, uh, tar- Dedications makes us innovation and research makes us unique in commitment of the best quality makes laboratories around the world depends on consumable, reusable instruments and more. Today's Tharsan is leading manufacturer plastic labware bottles, car boys, measuring cylinders, desiccators, mini coolers, box, test tubes, rack, pipes, tips, petri dish, centrifuge tubes, cryo vials, pasture pipettes, and wide range of other products. So these are what their lab products, dear investors. So this company is basically based in Kolkata. The MDI Europe certified also. And yes, we need not to talk about too much because they are long term business. They are long term in the business. 3 decades is not easy. Okay. Tharsan Products Limited company detail. Tharsan Products Private Limited has started on the 5th July 1985 at Kolkata, West Bengal, India, and they have changed their name from Private Limited to the Tharsan Product Limited, and they received the fresh certificate on 14 June 2021. Their office is based on Martin Bond Business Park, room number 902, BP5, Salt Lake Sector V, Kolkata 700091, West Bengal. For further information, log on tharsans.com. And dear investors, if you see is that their main objectives to carry the business as a manufacturer, exporter, importer, dealer, agent in plastic of all kinds of resins, shellac, bitumen, pitch, wax, rubber, alkalis and other chemicals, and industry oil, asbestos and articles made from them, laboratory wares of every descriptions, whether they made from the plastic, glassware or otherwise, electric and electronic good components, and their subsidiaries is in Lab Pro PT Limited. Dear investors, they have a footprint since 1983. They have the path how they achieved it every year. In the year of 1983, they incorporated the company of manufacturing reusable plastic product. In the year of 1984, they commenced the product in pipette tips. In the year of 1987, they commenced the product of CFT. 2002, they pioneered the first fully robotic clean room plant for manufacturing of molecular biology consumable. 2009, they obtained ISO 9000 2015 certified for manufacturing facility. 2012, they set up the manufacturing facility, expand into production of a fully automated centrifuge tube and cryogenic viable in Dulghar. In year of 2018, obtained ISO 13485, 2016 NACEN ISO 3485 2016 certified for manufacturing facility. 2018, they have a clear vision for investment holding. PT Limited acquire 49% equity shareholding in the company. 2019, they have a holded PCR products of Jalan Industry complex in Jangalpur. In 2020, they have received CIVD certified to our products. 2019 to 2021, acquire 5 acres of developed facility, increase the production in Panchla. So this is the path which they acquire every few periods of time, and each of the manufacturing facility they have with respect design, development, manufacturing, marketing and sales distributed sterile and non-sterile plastic labware for clinical and medical use at 902 Martin Bond Business Park, PV3 Sector V, Salt Lake, Kolkata, where they have another unit at Jalan Industry Complex, gate number 1, NH6, Jagalpur, Bargi, Havra 711411, and 4 unit number 6, PPF1, WBIDC, Polypark, Landua, Sankrel, Havra 711302, has been certified and confirmed ISO 13485 2016 EN NSEN ISO, where 3485 2016 pursuant to certified valid from April 12 2018. So this is basically they have a manufacturing facility in 3 places, and yes, they are certified and they are having a good amount of large customer base too. Tharsan Products Limited, the symbol is Tharsans. Issue period will be 15 November to 17 November 2021. means 15 November 2021 issue opening date, issue closing date will be 17 November 2021. Post modification you can do till 10 a.m. in between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at 18 November, where the cutoff time will be up to 18 November up to 12 p.m. Issue size is 1500 million, and in that case issue type is 100% book build issue. Price band between 635 INR to 662 INR, and discount to employee reservation category is 61 rupees per equity share eligible employee category. So this is the first time it is showing that employee reservation category in this company, where the face value is 2 rupees, ticket size is 1 rupees, bid lot will be 22 equity shares minimum, and minimum will be 22 shares equity. You can apply maximum subscription amount for retail investor is 2 lakhs, where the maximum subscription amount for eligible employee will be 5 lakh, and IPO market timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you see book of the running lead managers is ICICI Security Limited, Edelweiss, and then is Edelweiss Financial Services Limited and SBI Capitals are the leading managers. Okay. IPO subscription prediction for Tarsan Products Limited. Ridhivej Finance give band between 55% to 95%. Hopefully it can cross the 95% to 125 around. Please keep watching a grey market strategy. This company is really having a good amount of business, but the thing, they need to be re-strategized too. So that's the reason, in case if it is happen, they can cross around 55 at least percentage of subscription into the market, we can say. In case it is not IPO of the month again, I mean to say there are line of 4 to 5 IPO, then probably it couldn't find that much interest into the products of subscription of IPO. Anyways, we are not going to decide anybody's strategy. As of now, we can say yes, this company can do well into the market very soonly. Thank you by Ridhivej Finance. We will come back to you with the other IPO and GMP very soonly.